HOGSIDE Sound TV coming back at you. Getting ready to spray paint and detail these quarter panel window inserts here for the 74 Impala. Got the back trim and everything I'm going to clean up. Right now I'm just soaping water, real light mild soap. So this is so far how far I've got already. I want to keep you guys watching the video and everything because it's just some cleaning. It gets boring, but this is already what I've done already. Dirty old rag here. It was clean, brand new, but it has all that stuff right there. That's all from the window seals, from back in the day, because they used a different type of material, so it melted when it got hot. So I'll just show you real quick how to get this off, because this stuff is not easy to get off at all. It's so sticky. So just mild soap and water, like I was saying. But look, I want to show you how hard this stuff comes off. It don't come off, see? You gotta really scrub on that stuff. Right there. But I mean, that's just on the rag from right there. So I'll get back to you as soon as I'm done here. Okay, so I'm pretty much done with this side. This is the left-hand side. You guys remember how much goop stuff was all over around this outside edge right here? So, and this is another thing too, is you're never going to probably see any of these interior pieces for a 74, 75, or 76 Impala Custom with the big windows. But this is the way they look inside. You guys want to take a look, because no one ever shows these. They just cover them or just make panels for the inside and you don't ever get to see them. But this is the left-hand side. So I'm getting ready to start on the right-hand side. Let me turn this around and give you guys a look at the other side now. Okay, turn it over for you guys so you can see the original color there and how faded. Sun, because it's a glass house, it's always out in the sun. See the big difference in color here. So I'm gonna get started on the right-hand side one, and I'll get back to you guys in a minute. So I started the right-hand side. It's already, all the stuff's coming off. This side wasn't even that bad. But see, you can see the line, that's from pressing and squeezing, trying to just even get it off of there, because it's like a glue, like I was saying. So, got all the rest of this to do, and this one front part that's right here, on the front of it's like caked with all that stuff, so we're gonna have fun with that one. So like I said, I'm just trying to let you guys see what the inside of the 74 Impala, the quarter panels panels look from the inside, because you don't see them. Okay, the finished product of the infamous 74 Impala Custom quarter glass panels. Very fragile, but all finished, all nice, refurbished. So what do you guys think? Nice? So that's all, you guys. Later.